Let me ask you something. What if prices didn't go up, but actually started going down? Sounds great, right? Cheaper stuff everywhere. But this is called deflation, and it can actually be dangerous. Let me explain. Imagine I'm selling ice cream. I have 20 cones, but only 5 people show up to buy. Now I'm panicking. These cones are gonna melt. So what do? I drop the price from $4 to $2. That's deflation. Too much stuff, not enough buyers. But that's not the only reason it happens. Let's say I want to buy a bike for $100, but I notice prices are falling. I think, maybe if I wait, it'll be $80 tomorrow. And I'm not the only one thinking that. Everyone starts waiting. People stop buying, stores stop making sales, so they drop prices even more. But then people wait even longer, and just like that, it turns into a downward spiral. But wait, not all deflation is bad. Sometimes things get cheaper because they get better. Like technology, better computers at lower prices. Or farming, more food at cheaper rates. That's good deflation. I get more value for my money. But bad deflation is different. People lose jobs, businesses shut down, banks stop lending, the economy slows down. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine I run a pizza shop. I have to pay $1,000 every month as a loan. Earlier, I sold pizzas for $15, but now prices fall to $10. My income drops, but my loan stays the same. I start struggling, and I might even have to shut down. And that's why deflation can be dangerous. That's also why economists say a little inflation is actually healthy. Not too much, not falling prices, just balanced. And now you understand deflation.